Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right here with you, I am Engineer Usi. Today, I want to show you how to fix the screen of Gionee GN5003. I'm going to show you the step by step how you go about it so that you don't get it damaged and how you can actually do it by yourself at home. So, let's go. Now, here is the phone. See the model number, the model number 5003. See it? So here is the screen. We are going to put a brand new screen. This is the screen here. You can see it. You can see it. Slot. Once you have done this, you get your phone and screw it. So as you can see, we have already done that. Already have closed the screw on every side. Ensure all the screws they are screwed in the phone. And then second step is you open it gently. Look at the edge. Look at the edge. Take it gently. You can see. Take it gently so that you don't get the casing damaged. Take it gently. Take it gently. You can see. You can see that we have successfully open the cover. Now you take your battery down. Take your battery down. Then this is a flex for the screen. This is a flex for the screen. Now you bring it out. You remove the flex from the panel. Bring it like this. Then you try and lift the screen. You lift the screen, you can see the flex from the back. You can see. You pull it out. Now this is the damaged screen, so you keep it aside. You can see how it is. You can see. So this is how your phone looks like. So the second step is let's test the new screen, the new LCD. This is a new LCD display. This is a new one. So we are going to test it before you mount it. So let's test it. Put the flex into the slot carefully. Pass it through this hole carefully. Carefully. You can see from the back here. You put it on the clip carefully. can see. Can see. Since you already put it, next step is take your battery. Here's your battery. Place your battery, and then you also fix the flex to the screen. Now the next step is you power on your phone. Let's see if the screen is actually working. Here's the flex. You can see. You can see. Wait for it to boot. Now after booting, you can see that it comes up like this. So you can see. Let's try through the emergency. Let's check all the numbers. If the touchpad is working successfully. 3, 4, 5. You can see. You can see. You can see. So you can see that it's working successfully. So now let's switch off the phone. Let's switch it off. Let's switch it off. Switch it off. Then you remove the battery again. Remove the battery. You keep it aside. And you also remove the flex of the screen carefully. You can see, remove it carefully, and then you put your hands under and then take it out like this. Pull it out from the casing carefully. You can see. So you also keep the screen aside. Now when you look at the casing, you can see that there are some leftover gums here. You can see. What you do is that you get a thinner, in a container like this, in a cover like this. Thinner is a chemical, so you get a thinner, and then you apply it to all the gums. What it actually does is that it weakens the gum so that it can be easily removed from the body of the phone before you apply the new gum. Apply it like this. Now you try and scrape off the gum. Scrape it off after applying your thinner. You scrape away the gum on the surface. Because these ones are they are no longer needed here. You scrape them off. Scrape them off. You can use either a razor. You can use a razor or a picker, as you can see me using here. Scrape them off. The reason for this is so that the screen can sit comfortably on the body, on the casing, so that there will be no obstacle under it, so that I can relax on it very well. So now the next step is, since you are done, You return back the remaining thinner into the container. You can see. Okay, so what the next step is, take your gum, you open it, you apply it to all the edges of the casing, as you can see. So let's start from here. Apply it very well. Okay, you can see. As you can see. Can see, keep applying until you are done with the 4 edges, the 4 corners of your phone. After applying it, then you cover it, cover the gum so that air doesn't enter. Now after applying your gum like this, then next step is take your screen. This is a brand new screen, a brand new LCD. Take it. This is a hole, you slot it in. I like to go in completely, and then you can see balance it. You can see. See, see. So the next step, look at it very well. So you pin it down. You can also use your gum here. Use your gum here. You apply a little to the flex so that it can relax on the body. You can see. Apply a little. So put it very carefully. Okay, very carefully, as you can see. So now the next step is take your battery, place it on it. You also place the flex of the battery. You pin it down. So now you couple your phone back to how it was before. Now after coupling your phone like this, now you put all the screw back to their position. So let's go. Let's put all the nuts, the screws back to their position. Now, after putting all the screws, you look at them. The next step is take the cover and then place it sure it's well covered. You can see that it's well covered. Next thing is you take the cover, the memory seating, put it back. You also take the SIM slot seating, put it back. So now take your rubber band you have with you. You put it like this, 1, 2. Take the one to the middle, 1, 2. You can see. The third one, put it 1, 2. Now after putting your rubber band like this, the aim of the rubber band is to help it to hold the screen down to the body so that the gun can successfully dry and hold the screen down. So now you can leave it like this for the next 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Then after which you can remove the rubber band and you are set to go. Now you can remove your rubber band. This 20 minutes time, your gun must have dried. So you remove the rubber band and then let's test it. You can see. Wait for it to boot and then let's test it again. Let's test it. Let's test the touchpad also to see if it is working successfully. You can see. So let's test the touchpad. You can see. Let's take it to emergency. Let's try the numbers. See, so it's showing that it's working successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. Please join me in my next episode for more videos. Thank you.